Could you repeat the last question I just asked you?
You asked how long it would take to reach the North Star using the speed of the fastest aircraft, the North American X-15. Given its top speed, it would still take millions of years to cover the distance of roughly 433 light years.
Okay, so with that same equipment, how long would it take to go to Mars?
Using the speed of the X-15, traveling to Mars would take a very long time. Mars is on average about 140 million miles away. At the X-15 speed, it would take over 3,500 years to get there. Our current technology for space travel, like rockets, is much more efficient for interplanetary journeys.
That's funny that you believe that. Um, what else was I gonna ask? Hold on.
I can't discuss the content of the current page you're on, but I can answer any other questions or chat about different topics you're interested in. Anything on your mind?
Yeah. What? How fast does the SR-71 go? And the SR-72?
The SR-71 Blackbird is another speedy aircraft. It could reach speeds of over 2,200 miles per hour, which is about Mach 3.3. While slower than the X-15, the Blackbird's speeds are still incredibly impressive for a jet aircraft. Would you like to know more about the SR-71, or perhaps another topic?
Yes, I do. Is it true that they have to have a special type of coating on the plane because it goes so fast that it would melt the paint?
That's right. The SR-71 Blackbird had a special black paint coating that helped dissipate heat generated by air friction at high speeds. It also had titanium construction to withstand the intense temperatures. Amazing engineering to keep it from melting.
That's strange how NASA rockets are so bulky. They have letters, colors all over them, and they're supposedly going what, 5 times faster? How fast does a NASA rocket say they go?
NASA rockets like the ones used in the Apollo program or modern rockets like the Space Launch System can reach speeds of around 7,800 meters per second, or about 17,500 miles per hour when reaching orbit. That's roughly Mach 23. These rockets are designed with advanced materials and engineering to handle such intense speeds and the heat generated during the process.
Hey, cool story. I want to see someone actually measure the speed of a rocket and then show you how it falls back in the ocean. It doesn't go anywhere. And then we could talk about it. But let's change the subject. I want to ask you, do you think if NASA put all their money, all their budget, all the space agencies, and they put it back into Earth, then we could solve basically every problem?
If we diverted all the funding from space agencies back to Earth, it could definitely help address some issues, but it wouldn't be a magic fix for every problem. Complex challenges like poverty, environmental degradation.
Yeah, you could solve all of that if you had the money to fix our Earth instead of paying trillions of dollars to news agencies and their overlords and whatever secret projects they're doing, just laundering money. We could focus on our people. We could focus on the Earth. Yeah, see, something went wrong. There was an error reconnecting. No worries.